the product rule. Now y equals u times v, where y is a function of x, u is a function of x, and v is a function of x. Now, a change in x will cause a change in y, a change in u, and a change in v. So now by removing those brackets, we get uv, u times delta v, v times delta u, and delta u times delta v, just using that first outside, inside, last little rule. Now, because y equals u times v here, we can simply cancel that, because that's equal to y, if you like. So that cancels out with that, and we get delta y equals u times delta v plus v times delta u plus delta u times delta v. Now, on dividing through by delta x, we get this result. It's putting everything delta x through all these. Okay, now taking limits to both sides, limit as delta x goes towards 0 here. And then in the second line here, what I've done, I've split up all these limits, as you can see here. Alright, now, and therefore, by taking that u out, there's the u coming out there, you see, I'll just emphasize that. There's the u coming out there, and the v comes out. And I've split this up, see, it's got delta v on delta x times the limit as delta u goes towards 0. Now I can replace that delta u, remember, from the first video, because as delta x goes towards 0, so will delta u go towards 0, and of course all this will simply go out, because that'll be equal to 0. And of course, the limit as delta y on delta x, as delta x goes towards 0, is dy dx, so that'll become dy dx u times, this of course is dv dx, and this is equal to du dx, and that is your chain rule. Sorry, your product rule.